Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make cheesy chicken pizza. Let's first check out the ingredients. For preparing the pizza dough, we need 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast and sugar, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt according to your taste, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Get started. Now transfer 1 tablespoon of yeast and sugar. Then add 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, two tablespoons of olive oil, salt according to your taste. Now mix all the ingredients well with the all-purpose flour. After mixing all the ingredients well, now add 1.5 cups of warm milk and knead the dough well until it becomes soft. Now I am done with kneading the dough. Let's cover the dough and leave it for about 3 hours until it doubles in size. Let's prepare the chicken for the pizza topping. For that we need 300 grams of chicken cut into small pieces, salt according to your taste, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 onions, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Now take a pan on a medium flame. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Add the chopped onions and saute it well for about 5 minutes until the color changes. Add salt according to your taste. Once the onions becomes translucent, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well until the raw smell is gone. Adding ginger garlic paste is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now add about 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder and give it a quick mix. Now add the chicken pieces and mix it well for about 3 minutes. You don't need to cook the chicken pieces well because we are gonna bake it in the oven again, so it will get fully cooked at that time. Now our chicken is ready. Now our pizza dough is also ready. Just knead the dough again for about 3 minutes and divide the dough. With 500 grams of all-purpose flour, I am making around 5 pizzas. Roll the dough sheets according to your preference. If you want a thick crust, just spread the dough using your hands. But here I need a thin crust, so I am using the roller. Here I am using tomatoes, capsicums and olives for toppings. You can also use any other vegetables. We also need mozzarella cheese and tomato paste. Now spread the tomato paste evenly on the rolled sheet. And then let's add the chicken pieces on the top and spread it evenly. Add the tomatoes and capsicum. Now spread some mozzarella cheese on the top. Now add the olive pieces. And then bake it in an oven at 170 degrees for about 12 minutes. Now our delicious cheesy chicken pizza is ready. Try this recipe at your home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Hope you all like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates on my videos. Thank you all for watching.